An exterior shutter with a small paint blemish can be quickly repaired with minimal time and effort. Begin by sanding the area with 220 grit sandpaper. This will remove any rough edges and prepare the surface for clean adhesion. Wipe away any dust or loose particles. Open and thoroughly mix the primer. We suggest using a high-quality exterior-grade latex primer. Use a foam or bristle brush to apply primer to the area. If no raw material is exposed, you can skip this step. Let dry and lightly sand with 220 grit sandpaper. Use just enough pressure to smooth out the surface and not remove the primer. Then, wipe free of dust. Shake the bottle of touch-up paint until thoroughly mixed. You can paint straight from the bottle, or you may wish to decant the paint into a larger container. Apply a healthy coat of paint to cover the primed section. Use a foam brush to gently blot the painted area to remove brush strokes and to even out the paint. Allow to completely dry and apply a second coat if desired. The new paint may appear to be a different tone and sheen, but will blend in with the old paint when dry. The repair is now complete. Also see our video on repairing gouges and corner damage. Shutterland.com is your complete source for finding the best exterior window shutters for your project.